Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change BMW 1 Series glow plugs. First, gather your essential tools, including a torque wrench, a suitable socket set, and a glow plug removal tool. It's crucial to ensure your engine is completely cool before you begin to avoid damage. Always disconnect the car's battery to prevent any electrical shorts or unexpected power surges during the process. This preparation ensures a safe and smooth replacement. Next, you'll need to access the glow plugs. Start by carefully removing the engine cover and any other components that might be obstructing your access, such as intake pipes or wiring harnesses. Once visible, disconnect the electrical connector from each glow plug. Use the correct glow plug socket to carefully loosen and remove the old glow plugs. Be gentle to avoid stripping the threads or breaking a plug. Now it's time to install the new glow plugs. Apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to the threads of each new glow plug. This helps prevent them from seizing in the future. Hand tighten each new plug into its port to ensure proper seating, then use a torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's specified torque setting. Finally, reconnect the electrical connectors and reassemble all the components you removed earlier. After everything is reassembled, reconnect your car's battery. Start the engine and listen for smooth idling, ensuring there are no unusual noises or warning lights on your dashboard. If everything seems normal, you've successfully changed your BMW 1 Series glow plugs. Regular maintenance, like checking your glow plugs, can extend your engine's life. For more great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.